The journey towards greater sustainability in agri-food systems is underway, and as innovation brokers, farmers, industry actors, researchers and NGOs, our roles and our combined role is significant. The various sustainability projects we are involved in face a shared challenge, not only developing new sustainable technologies and innovations, but also supporting the necessary changes in behaviour to ensure their meaningful and effective use. As we continue to innovate new innovations and new ways of working, it is important to facilitate people to embrace new values, practices and routines. This is what we call a Behavioural Innovation Challenge, and addressing it is the direct focus of the Ploutos Horizon 2020 project. Working with 11 sustainable innovation pilots on the ground, with farmers, extension agents, researchers, technology providers and others, Ploutos trialled ways of achieving behavioural innovation. In this first animation in our series, we explain behavioural innovation and what it involves. Behavioural innovation. What is it? People working on the ground in the Ploutos project identified behavioural innovation as operating at 3 interconnected levels. It happens in the mind, translates into action, and expands across all relevant actors in the system. Let's first consider mindset-oriented behavioural innovation. It occurs most fundamentally when individuals change their values, or when they change their beliefs, what they believe is important. An example is when a government agency changes their rules and requests local food from local suppliers at every event. They have changed their values and have begun to value locally produced food more. They have also changed their actions, which brings us to the next aspect of behavioural innovation. Action-oriented behavioural innovation involves changing or adapting everyday behaviours. For instance, in Ploutos, farmers not only started to willingly provide farm-level data for smart farming techniques, but also collaborated with technology developers to identify new forms of data that could be collected on farms, expanding the potential for sustainability. This brings us to the third aspect of behavioural innovation. System-oriented behavioural innovation occurs when diverse actors in the chain collaborate in changed behaviours on the basis of changed and shared values. They work together, driven by a common mission for sustainability. Actors across the system may engage in different actions to support sustainability, but they are acting in concert. For example, consumers who have become empowered with knowledge of production processes advocate for sustainable production processes in the marketplace and make corresponding purchasing choices. They ally themselves with farmers in a collaborative system. In summary, behavioural innovation aims to drive positive change by transforming mindsets, actions and systems, leading to a more sustainable and innovative agri-food industry. For those engaged in projects aimed at advancing agri-food system sustainability, being mindful of these 3 dimensions of behavioural innovation, mindset, action and systemic aspects is invaluable during the design and implementation of innovation projects.